Import. To import product data, select File/Import and then point to the file containing the product information. 3 different types of files can be imported: xChange, BMEcat, or Excel. It is recommended to import from compressed files. All formats of imported files are handled using the same form. The application automatically recognizes the type of imported file and processes it accordingly. The options available in the import form will be explained successively. If you are importing a file directly from a supplier, you can select the As Supplier option. In this case, supplier IDs will not be treated as main product IDs, and matching on products will be done on the basis of matching supplier and product ID by supplier. The import restriction option allows you to limit the imported products. You can limit the import to products with identifiers indicated in the attached file, or do the opposite. Exclude products with identifiers indicated in the file. The next options give the possibility to select the imported content. First, it is possible to select the exported elements of the product information category. This can be done very selectively with accuracy by individual fields. For example, by choosing to export general information, we then have the option to select the imported fields. Similarly for attributes, attachments, or category tree assignments. It is also possible to indicate for import non-standard elements specific to the ETIM-Mapper application, such as definitions of labels, attributes, attribute groups, relations by attribute, or category trees. Indicating imported elements does not guarantee their actual import. These product information elements must, of course, still be present in the imported file in the correct form. For example, choosing to import definitions of elements such as labels or attributes only makes sense for Excel files, since the other file types, xChange and BMEcat, do not contain such information. The next 2 options determine how the application should behave when importing new products and products that already exist in an account in the application. In the first case, we have the choice of either adding new products or skipping them. If you don't intend to import new products, but just want to update existing ones, it's safe to select the Skip New options so you don't accidentally import unwanted products. For existing products, 3 modes are available. In Replace mode, imported elements overwrite existing elements of a given type. In Complete mode, imported values overwrite only empty values, and imported multiple elements are added to existing elements. In Skip mode, on the other hand, imported existing items are omitted. The Replace import mode has an additional setting of blank values overwrite existing values. Since the Skip option was selected for new products, here this option loses its meaning and becomes unavailable because all products would be skipped on import. The default setting of this option to No protects against unintentional deletion of existing values by importing blank values. Deleting existing values can be done consciously by setting this option to Yes. The user guide documentation details the differences between Replace and Complete modes when importing different types of data for existing products. After selecting the appropriate options, the import is launched, which ends with a brief report displaying the number of imported products, the number of duplicates in the file, and any duplicates with respect to existing products in the account.